Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another video. So this is a quick shout out to all the React developers who watch my video. So there is a big opportunity to showcase your React skills and win big prizes. Let me walk you through the ReExt Contest that is being held by Sencha.com. So this is the React Contest page where you can just build a React application and you can win big prizes. If you are a React developer, then showcase your skills. You can create visually stunning and innovative app using ReExt and win big prizes. So you can just enter to this contest by filling this form. Here is what you win with this contest. So if you get a first or a second or a third prize, you will get a huge amount as rewards. And these are the dates which you need to keep in mind. The deadline for submission of your application is February 7. You can get all the details about ReExt in this video. You can just go through it. Now let me show you how you can participate in this contest. You just need to fill out the form which you have just seen, and then you can register yourself. Once you register, you will get all the essential information via an email. After that, you can just download the ReExt, which will be a free trial for 30 days, and you can start working on your front-end application. You can explore all the resources. You will find all the links here. And last, you just need to submit your application via a Google form. Now, there are some judging criteria. You have to follow the guidelines strictly. You should be a creative and create an application which should be ease in use. And you can also get some bonus points. What you can build using ReExt is you can build any CRM system, you can build a learning portal, inventory dashboard, HR tools, or you can design any dynamic responsive websites. Now, there are some eligibility rules which you need to follow while building the application. You have to use the ReExt components, build some modern designs. You need to have minimum 3 screens, responsive layout, data integration, additional UI elements, and you can also build some data visualization using ReExt components. So you can just go through all the details, and this is a very good opportunity to showcase your React skills at a very good platform, and you have a chances to win big prizes. So that's all I have in this video. I hope you like the video. A thumbs up is appreciated. You can also connect with me via Facebook or Instagram. You can follow me on Twitter for latest updates. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss the videos like this one. Thank you. Thanks for watching.